Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna make a chicken cordon bleu the easy way. So I have here chicken breast ground into the food processor. So I added spice into the chicken, ground pepper, nor chicken powder and garlic powder. I added salt too. Mix until well combined. Some all-purpose flour. Continue mixing. By the way, for the exact measurements and ingredients, please check the description box below. On a cling wrap, lay flat the chicken mixture. Make sure evenly spread. Then arrange with the coupon. A slice of cheese. And a little more cheese. Then roll. Simple as that. Let's do another one more. Let it rest for 2 hours at the freezer before putting up the breading mix. So I have here flour, egg mixture, egg seasoned with salt, pepper, and paprika, and the Panko breading. So let's unwrap, remove the plastic, and first dip into the flour. Next into the egg mixture, and lastly on the Panko breading. Hope you like the recipe. Thank you for watching.